Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. To our invigilator, Madam Khairunisa binti Syafi'i, and not to forget to our respective candidates today. So first of all, we are here have been given a situation which is global warming causes danger to our environment that can lead to natural catastrophes such as flood, hurricanes, and drought. It is very important to limit emission and greenhouse gases to keep global warming at bay. Suggest one way to reduce global warming. So there are 2 points, which is candidates A will explain about reduced heat and air conditioning, and candidates B will explain the use energy efficient products, and the leader will explain about the best way to reduce global warming. So candidates A explain the reduced heat and air conditioning. So if you want to know how do air conditioning perform, it is come with chlorofluorocarbon, which is a group of odorless manufactured chemicals, and it will damage the Earth's ozone layer. Chlorofluorocarbon have been banned since 1996. Before chlorofluorocarbon products were banned, they were used in aerosols, refrigerators, air conditioners, from food packaging, and the extinguisher. In 2009, chlorofluorocarbon were used in inhaler to control asthma. Chlorofluorocarbon are greenhouse gases that affect the environment by contributing to global warming. So how we are going to reduce the use of air conditioning? First, we can change the use of chlorofluorocarbon to hydrochlorofluorocarbon, which is more or less stable in the lower atmosphere, and it is enabling them to break down before reaching the ozone layer, and it is eligible environmental impacts and are also used worldwide in domestic and commercial refrigerator applications, and are becoming available in new split system air conditioning. So what candidates B, what are your point about how we are going to reduce global warming?
I a little bit disagree about candidates A point, which is use hydrofluorocarbon instead of using the chlorofluorocarbon. You should know that the hydrofluorocarbon is used organic compound composed of the hydrogen, fluorine, and carbon to make it. You should know that all the stuff is very expensive. Just imagine that the refrigerator, air conditioner is using the hydrofluorocarbon, and then the price of the refrigerator and conditioner will be so pricey and expensive. This will be hard to people to buy it. For me, I think the effective way to fight the global warming is use energy efficient product such as LED bulb. Did you know that when we use the LED bulb is used about 90% less than other bulb. For the fact, Indonesian consumers save total 3.3 billion electricity bill in 2016 after the government encouraged all the Indonesian people to switch to LED bulb.
From my point of view, I am disagree with candidates B that mentioned LED bulb as a way to reduce global warming. I agree that LED bulb can reduce global warming, but at the same time, LED bulbs can cause danger in human health. The AMA says that the long-life exposure of the retina and lens and to blue peaks from LEDs can increase the risk of cataract and age-related macular degeneration. Studies also reveal that light emitted by LEDs can cause retina changes if there is high exposure for even a short period of time. A study which will be published in Visual Research in September this year suggests that LED lights can cause headaches as they flicker too much compared to fluorescent lights, which dim by around 35% with every flicker. LED lights dim by 100%. This can cause headaches by disrupting the movement control of the eyes, and it will force the brain to work harder. So, to compare the first point, which is reduce heat and air conditioning, and the second point, which is use energy efficient product, I will choose the first point, that which is reduce heat and air conditioning as the best way to reduce global warming. It is because we can change using air conditioning by using hydrochlorofluorocarbon that is less stable in the lower atmosphere, enabling them to break down before reaching the ozone layer. And hydrochlorofluorocarbon does not affect to human health also, so it can reduce global warming and did not affect human health. So I hope that is the end for our discussion. Thank you for our respective candidates today, candidates A and candidates B, and thank you also to our Madam Karenisa as our invigilator today. That's all from us. Thank you.